With the same equipment, our 200 tons per hour crushing plant can save you up to $50,000 in initial investment. How? SBM SMP crushing plant gives you the answer. From shipping to production, the SBM SMP crushing plant helps you save costs at every stage. First, the SMP crushing plant is designed for 4THQ containerized packing and transportation, avoiding additional costs and operations associated with splitting containers, which reduces both packaging and labor costs. Secondly, SMP crushing plant needs little or even no concrete foundation construction for installation. This not only saves great money for customers, but also allows for assembly 30% to 40% faster than traditional crushing plants. Thus, customers can get profit earlier. Thirdly, the compact design of SMP allows it to be installed closer to the mine, minimizing material transport costs significantly. Moreover, if future expansion is needed, adding MP modules is simple, enabling easy upgrades to meet growing production demands. Even if the plant is decommissioned, its steel structure can be reused, offering high recovery value. Whether you're looking to save on initial costs or increase future profitability, SBM SMP crushing plant is the smart, cost-effective choice for your business.